Hello everyone. So today we are going to see this min method of collection class in the Java. So the collections.min method is a part of Java collection framework and it is used to find the minimum element in the given collection. So it utilizes the natural sorting order of the element. So if they implement the comparable interface, or we have to specify the comparator to determine the minimum element. So we'll see how we can use this collection.min method. So this is like, you can see this is a method signature of this min method, where we need to pass this collection, and you can see the parameter, the collection from which the minimum element is to be determined. All elements in the collection must implement this comparable interface. The return type of this method is, it will return the minimum element according to the natural sorting order. And what are the exception that is thrown by this will be the class cast exception if the elements are not mutually comparable, and other type of exception we can get is no such element exception if the collection is empty. Now how we can pass this custom comparator inside this method? So this is a min method. This is where collection that we want to, this collection from which minimum element to be determined. This is a comparator. Here we have given these parameters. This collection is nothing but the from which minimum element is to be determined, and this is a comparator, the comparator to determine the order of the collection. A null comparator indicates the natural ordering should be used. So if you don't pass this comparator, so the default one is will be that will indicate the natural ordering should be used. Also again, it will return the minimum element according to the specified comparator. So in this, while using this min method using the custom comparator, we can get the exception that is no such element exception if the collection is empty. Now we'll see the example of the collections.min, how we can be used. So below is the example demonstrating how to use the collection.min method with the both natural sorting order or the custom comparator. Here's the example we have to find the minimum element from the list of integer using the natural order sort, this natural ordering. Now you can see here we have the list of integer. Let me copy this and paste on this Eclipse ID. Let's import these classes. First of all, you can see here we are creating the list of integer 39158. Now we want to find the minimum element in this list of integer. We should get here a 1. Now if I try to run as a Java application, here we go, we are getting as a 1. Okay, so as we have seen in the description, what it will do is it will return the minimum element according to the natural ordering. Natural ordering nothing but ascending order. If we try to get this in ascending order, what will the ascending order? 1, 3, 5, 8, 9. From this order you can see the minimum element will be 1, so that will get in the output. If I try to run again, you can see, let me save this, it should give a 1. Okay, let's go to the another one example, that is by using the custom comparator. So here is the example by using the custom comparator. In this example, find the minimum element from the list of string based on their length using the custom comparator. So here we should get the string which is having the minimum length. Now if I try to copy this and go to the Eclipse ID. Here we go. So let me explain you what is we are doing here. First of all, what we have done is we have created the list of string that is containing the fruits. Here is the banana, apple, mango and cherry. Now we have to find the minimum element using a custom comparator based on their string length. So here you can see we are using the collections.min method. Just the difference between the first example and this one is we are passing here a comparator because we want here the minimum element in the given string which is having the length lesser. Now if you can see, here we are having 6 length, here also 5, here 5, here we have 6. So now if I try to run this, we are getting the apple. So here we are having the apple as a have a minimum length. Okay. So below this you can find the explanation. In the first example, what we have done is we have used the collection.min on this numbers list. So it uses the natural ordering of the integer which implement the comparable interface to find the minimum value. Okay. Now the next example we have seen using the custom comparator. In the second example, collection.min fruit, and we are passing this comparator. So uses a custom comparator that compares the length of the string to determine which string is shortest. So the collection.min method is versatile and can be used to find the minimum element in the collection containing any type of object as long as that object are compared either naturally or through a provided comparator. So this point we need to understand this. This is a compulsory whenever you are trying to use this collection.min method. So now here what we'll do is we'll just directly pass these fruits, then what it should get. So it will in the natural ordering what we'll have is the string will be in the alphabetical manner. In the alphabetical manner what we'll get is first we'll get the apple, then banana, then cherry and mango. So in these the minimum element it will be considering as it is apple. Let me run as a Java application. Here we go, apple. Now if we try to give the comparator, let me give here comparator f1 comma f2. We need to sort it in the descending order of the alphabetical. I will give f2 dot compare to f1. We should get in the descending order. Now in the descending order the first fruit will be mango, so we should get here a mango. Now if I try to run as a Java application, here we go, mango is coming. So this is a way you can try this collection.min method. I will give the link of this blog in the description. You can go there and try this by using this example. So if you like this video, you can hit like button and subscribe to our channel.